Cities of Refuge, Justice, Mercy, and God's Protection. The plains of Moab stretched wide beneath a fiery desert sky. The people of Israel stood ready, their journey nearing its end. But before they could enter the Promised Land, they had to understand God's instructions, especially the laws concerning life and death, which were often misunderstood. Moses gathered the leaders and delivered the decree, "When you settle in Canaan, you must set aside cities for the tribe of Levi, 42 cities and 6 more, 48 in all, with common land around them for grazing livestock." This assured that even those dedicated to God's service had a place to call home. But 6 of these cities would have a very special, profound purpose. They would be the cities of refuge. God knew that accidents happen, a life taken without intention or hatred. How could justice and mercy both prevail when a death occurred? If a man strikes another with an iron tool or a stone with malice aforethought, or lies in wait and ambushes him, Eldad explained sternly, that is murder. The killer must be put to death, for they have stained the land with willful sin. He closed his fist, emphasizing the gravity of intentional malice. But what about the accident? Ziva asked, thinking of the woodcutters and workers. If a man throws a tool without seeing his neighbor, and the neighbor dies, surely that is different. How can the law distinguish true intent? That is where the cities of refuge stepped in, to protect the innocent. The person who kills accidentally must flee immediately, said Eldad. He must run to the nearest city of refuge, where he will be safe from the Gol Hadam, the avenger of blood, who has the legal right to seek vengeance outside the city walls. Imagine Asher chopping wood with his friend. His axe head flies off the handle and tragically strikes his friend. Heartbroken and terrified, Asher knew he had only one chance. The city gate. His legs burned as he sprinted toward Kadesh, a refuge city far to the north. At the gates of Kadesh, Asher met Elishama, the Levite elder appointed to judge his case. Elishama listened carefully to Asher's panicked story, calming the frantic man with his steady presence. The Levite would offer him shelter, but first, the court had to ensure the death was truly unintentional. If the judges confirmed it was accidental, no previous hate, no malice, Asher was granted sanctuary. He must stay within the city walls. Safety came with a profound condition. He could not leave until the death of the current high priest. This event acted as a divine form of expiation for the unfortunate event. The cities of refuge taught Israel, and they teach us today. God is just, demanding accountability for sin, but He is also merciful, offering protection and a path to restoration for the innocent. They remind us that true refuge is found in His structured protection, which offers justice, mercy, and the promise of ultimate peace.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to Eden Pathways for more inspiring Bible stories. God bless you.